In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alternate colors, professional tables, in Google Sheets. If you want your spreadsheets to look clean, professional, and easier to read at a glance, alternating row colors is one of the simplest upgrades you can make. It helps your eye follow rows across the page, especially in wide tables, and it works great for reporting, sharing, or printing. Start by selecting your entire data table. Click the first cell in your data, then drag to the last cell, or hold Shift and click the final cell in your range. If your table is a solid block of data with no completely blank rows or columns in the middle, you can also click any cell inside it and use a Select All shortcut to capture the whole region quickly. Be sure to include your header row if you have one, so the styling applies correctly. A good habit is to double-check that your selection covers exactly the rows and columns you want formatted, and nothing extra. With your range selected, go to the top menu and open Format, then choose Alternating Colors. A sidebar will appear on the right. This panel is where you pick the look and feel. You can browse the preset styles for a quick, cohesive palette, or customize your own by setting colors for the header, odd rows, and even rows. If your table has a header row, keep the header option turned on to give it a distinct color and bold separation. If your data doesn't have headers, simply uncheck that option so the striping starts immediately with your first data row. As you click different styles, you'll see a live preview on your sheet. So take a moment to choose shades with enough contrast to be readable but not so intense that they distract from the data. When you're happy with the look, click Done. Instantly, your table will have clean, alternating colors that make scanning and comparing rows much easier. This formatting is dynamic. If you insert or delete rows within the range, the striping adjusts automatically, keeping the pattern intact. It also plays nicely with sorting and filtering, so your table remains readable as you analyze your data. If the colors feel too strong, reopen the Alternating Colors sidebar and switch to a lighter palette, or fine-tune the custom colors to match your brand or presentation theme. And remember, alternating colors are purely visual. They won't change your numbers, formulas, or filters. That's it. A fast, polished way to elevate any Google Sheets table and present your information with clarity.